My name is Jay Stewart, Vice President with the Spokane Chiefs Hockey Club, and we're in the Numerica Veterans Arena. The Spokane Chiefs are the main tenant here in the building, and we run all of our business and hockey operations through our offices here. We've been with Intermax for about a year now, and the whole install, when they came in, that was really above and beyond. Ultimately, we're a small business. We have about 10 people working in the office, but they treated us like we were a major call center. They came in and trained everybody on the phones, put the install in, and they were in and out within a day, and we didn't have a disruption of service. So that was pretty impressive.